Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two drones that are perfect for beginners and kids. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. The Holy Stone HS190 is packed with features that make it ideal for kids and beginners. It has a one-click takeoff landing function, 3D flips, altitude hold, headless mode, and 3 speed modes. It also comes with propeller guards and an emergency stop function for added safety. The HS190 is foldable and portable, making it a great companion for any adventure. The S90 drone offers a 1080p HD FPV Wi-Fi camera for capturing high-quality aerial footage. It has multiple control options including remote control, app control, voice control, and gravity control. The S90 drone also comes with propeller guards, altitude hold, and 3 speed modes for a safe and stable flight experience. It is designed with portability in mind, with a foldable fuselage and 2 modular batteries for extended flight time. In terms of price, the Holy Stone HS190 is priced at $HS190 price, while the S90 drone is priced at $99. The HS190 offers great value for its features, but the S90 drone provides a higher resolution camera and more advanced control options for a slightly higher price. The HS190 comes with a basic camera, while the S90 drone offers a 1080p HD FPV Wi-Fi camera. If capturing high-quality aerial footage is important to you, the S90 drone would be the better choice. Both drones prioritize safety with features like propeller guards and emergency stop functions. However, the HS190's propeller guards offer more protection for kids, while the S90 drone's full guards provide overall safety for pilots of all ages. Both drones are foldable and portable, but the HS190 is slightly smaller in size, making it even more convenient to carry around. If compactness is a priority, the hydrogen sulfide might be the better option. Based on online reviews, the Holy Stone HS190 is highly recommended for kids, beginners, and indoor flying. It is praised for its ease of use, durability, and affordability. The S90 drone, on the other hand, is praised for its impressive features, user-friendly experience, and enjoyable flying. It offers a higher resolution camera and more control options. Ultimately, the choice between the two drones depends on your specific needs and preferences. Both the Holy Stone hydrogen sulfide and the S90 drone offer unique features and are suitable for beginners and kids. It ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Buy Smart.